Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2010 Jaguar XK. First of all, we go to home. You've got navigation, click on navigation, and it's the Land Rover system, so it's dead simple. Destination entry, address, points of interest, postcode. Postcode's again easier, so on postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston PR. Now we go to the numbers, it's gone automatically to the numbers. A lot of them don't. We need to put a space in because it's only a 2-digit. So I click space and 4EA. That's it. Okay. So now thinking about it, watching destination, waypoint. It's all these arrows, and you've put the destination in. Anyway, click destination. Now it's just saying destination's nearby, but it's navigating to that point. So you have to press the destination. That's the one thing that's probably wrong with the Jaguar Land Rover system. But that's it.